welcome to another episode of the Linux Guy. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I want to get back into this, so here's a video today about changing your display settings. So I'm in GNOME right now, and I'm not 100% sure if these will work on all other systems, but it should work if you're using some kind of X-windowing system. I'm using GNOME, and I'm going to use xrandr and CVT as utilities to actually change a resolution. So if you look at my resolution right now, you'll see that it is 1920 by 1200. Well, I record most of my videos in 1920 by 1080, and that's 1080p. And the reason I do that is because it's just a standard resolution. A lot of people then can full screen it. A lot of TVs can see this well without weird scaling or black bars or anything like that. So maybe this is your reason. Maybe you're using a virtual machine and you need to force the change. But whatever your reason, it may be that when you go to this display setting, that the resolution that you want is missing. You see 1920 by 1080 is not here. Well, Linux does let you actually change this, and it's not too difficult to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open a terminal like I've got here. And we need to collect some information. So the first command you're going to want to do is xrandr list active monitors. And this is going to actually list all of the stuff that we have connected right now. Right now, I have an HDMI-3, and it gives me some more information about it. What I'm most interested in, though, is this HDMI 3. Now, yours may not say HDMI. It may say DP-3-1. So the number corresponds to however many ports, and then the HDMI is the type of port I have. You might have VGA, you might have DP for DisplayPort, you might have something else here. But this is what you're looking for. We need to collect that information. The other thing we want to do is that we want to tell CVT, which is another program that should be installed by default, what resolution we want. And when we do this, it's going to print out a bunch of information here. This stuff here is what we're interested in, this series of numbers. And the reason you're going to actually check this out and get yours is because yours are probably going to be different from mine. So what we want to do now is we want to create a new mode in xrandr. So we'll do xrandr, and then we're going to do new mode, so -- new mode, and then we're going to go ahead and copy all of that last stuff from this second command over here and put that there. Now this is going to be our complete command, so let's run this. All right, that's done. And now we need to do one more thing with xrandr. We need to actually add the mode. And this is going to make it available for us as an option in that menu that I showed you before. So what we want now is this HDMI 3 or whatever you have. So go ahead and copy that over here and put it in here. And then the other thing we need to do is we need to specify the resolution, which we've actually collected. It's also here. So on the mode line, we've got it right here. So if we go ahead and copy that and run this, xrandr will run, and now we should be able to go to display settings, and you'll see that 1080p is now an option, and I can click that and apply it, and now we're in the new resolution. So this is how you do it. It's pretty easy to do. Let me know in the comments if this works on other X-based desktop environments, maybe like XFCE or something else. It should, because they're all based off of this basic premise. As always, thank you for watching the Linux Guy. Make sure to follow us on Library or BitChute. Send us a tip if you feel so inclined, and we will see you in the next one.